Is this what a typical day looks like for you? Filled with endless manual updating of spreadsheets? Do you have your inventory figures at your fingertips? Would you know if your products are understocked or overstocked? If you're feeling lost, look no further. Introducing Manufacture and Track. Manufacture and Track is a scalable cloud-based inventory management system. Combined with the Connect and Track, the API interface enables multi-channel integration to connect your marketplace, accounting, and ERP systems to help you achieve a seamless order fulfillment process. Manufacture and Track has various inventory forecasting dashboards and reports. The order management and delivery management modules will enable you to track project and manpower costs and view WIP reporting and labor reporting details. You can create estimate orders to capture material requests and convert the estimate order into an outbound order when the request is approved. You can create work orders to production with WIP tracking. Once the finished goods are ready, you can generate a delivery order for your customer. When the delivery orders are ready for processing, you can also set up the delivery details. Manufacture and Track also has a catalog management function which allows you to upload photographs and descriptions of your products. By generating a QR code label to paste onto your products, you can use your mobile phone, tablet, or mobile computer to scan the QR code to view the catalog details. By simply scanning the barcodes, you can perform goods receiving and goods issuing, inventory tracking, asset tracking, and stock take. You can monitor work in progress against the BOM with routing sequence, labor timing, and status. Manufacture and Track also helps you monitor visitor and employee attendance with the attendance tracking function. By automating data entry and operational processes, Manufacture and Track makes manufacturing and inventory tracking a breeze. Sign up today for as low as $1 per month.